Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Unice store and it comes in this hot pink box. It also comes with a hair bag, additional hair straps, these cute hoop earrings which are very lightweight, tan and black wig caps, a cheetah print headband, and this pretty pink heart-shaped mirror and case. This is their V-part wig. The color is natural black. It's 20 inches, 150% density, and is jerry curl hair. It also feels very soft and lightweight. The curls look pretty uniformed as well, but the ends look just okay. The wig does look pretty full and has some body to it though. And as you can see, the V part came pre-cut, and on the inside of it are 4 small combs. Then you have a comb in the center of the wig, 1 comb on each side, 1 at the bottom of it, and adjustable straps. And as I finger combed through the curls, I did get some shedding. I also just braided my hair straight back for this wig. I put a wig cap halfway on my head to hold the back of my braids up. And I put the wig on by clipping the combs for the V part in between my 2 center braids. And it was a little challenging for me to get the clips to close and tighten the way I really wanted them to. And I had to adjust a little. And the part without any leave out did not look right to me at all. So I tried multiple ways to fix it. The first method was using my comb to blend the hair to make it look like a real part, and that did not work. So I tried to blend it with my edge brush, and of course that was also an epic fail. It just made my hair look really frizzy and poofy on top. Then I decided I'd just deal with the part later and went on to putting product on the curls. First, I sprayed the hair with my water bottle and worked the water through the curls with this Evolve brush. Next, I used this Shea Moisture Wig and Weave mousse on the hair and worked it through as well. After that, I went to try to work on the part again. I had watched a few YouTube tutorials to get ideas and see how others did it with no leave out. I saw a lot of people who just ended up blending it with their real hair, but this hair won't blend with my real hair unless I apply heat to it or curl my hair, and I wasn't trying to do that. I typically don't apply heat to my hair. And so one method was spraying this Got to Be Glued freeze spray on the part. I saw this on YouTube, and I used my comb to bring some of the hair over into the part and glue it down to make the part look more natural. I think I was supposed to blow dry my hair while doing this, but I didn't, and I just was like, this method isn't going to work for me. The last method I tried was to tuck the curly hair underneath the part. So I pulled a small piece of hair out and brought it to the front of the wig underneath the start of the part, and I would use my comb to just tuck that piece of hair underneath the section of the part. So I hope that makes sense, but I just ended up repeating that step over and over and over again. Then I used my comb to blend or kind of frizz the hair out a little to make it look a little more natural. I did this once I was finished tucking the hair underneath the part, and this is how the part turned out. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. From up close, you know, it looks a little questionable, but from afar, it doesn't look too bad. Then I used this Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush to do my baby hairs. And I tied my edges down with a scarf. Lastly, I used this She Is Bomb hair wax stick to tame the flyaways near the V part. So this is how the hair turned out. The curls are big and full, have more of that bushy wild look, and the part is finished. Not my favorite part at all. If you can't get the no leave out look to blend well, like myself, then I suggest you leave some of your hair out or wear a scarf or a hat over the part, or get creative. But then again, from afar, if you don't look directly on top of my head, the part doesn't look too bad. And the curls could have probably used a little bit of shaping. It's like the top of the wig was a little shorter than the back, and it just didn't blend well to me. But the hair is big and bouncy. Anyway, let me know what you guys thought of this style, and if you have any good tips on how to do a no leave out V-part wig, I would really appreciate that. Also, let me know what other videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.